Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, my name is Agnes Asantua and you're welcome to Nest Hair Goals. So on this channel, it's all about growing our hair together, okay? So I'm going to put up natural hair videos to help grow your hair. So in this video, I'm going to do this new hairstyle that is trending now called Django braids. So I'm going to do the Django braid hairstyle in this video. Stay tuned, watch to the end to learn how to do this hairstyle and how I achieve this beautiful hairstyle. Okay, my hair already has some oils inside, so I'll just start parting the hair. Okay, so that's my comb. I made this comb myself. It's a two-tailed comb, but I broke one part to make it one-tailed comb, and then I broke the comb fingers. Is it called fingers? Yes, I did something to it and then I achieved this. So this is my parting comb. Now that we are done parting the hair into four, it's now going to be much more easier to do our braids. So I'm going to start with this color. This is color 30 ultra braids, and then I'll continue with this one. This is a mixture of 30 and 33. Okay, so it's a mixture of black and brown, deep brown, and then light brown. And then I'll go in with this one, color 33 ultra hair braids. So these are the three colors I'm going to use for this hair. I don't know if it's going to fit me, and I hope it turns out well. Wish me all the best. I'm so stressed. Like, I'm so nervous right now. This is the first time I'm going to do this, try this hairstyle. Actually just came recently, so this is the first time I'm going to do it, obviously, and so I'm so nervous. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I just pray it turns out well, and then if it turns out well, I'm gonna post these videos. If you're seeing this video, it means it turns out well. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I did this style knotless. You can choose to do it whichever way you want, but I did it knotless. I'm going to show you two very detailed examples of how I did this style. So watch carefully and intensely to know how I achieved this style. This style is very simple but very tricky. So if you are doing this style and you have any problems, you could just come back and watch this video and just watch it carefully to know how I did it. Okay, so all that you have to do basically is to make loops on the braids. So you make loops as you go along, and the loops have to be close together to form this S shape. So to form the S shape, you have to make the loops on opposite sides of the braid, okay, not on the same side, so it gives this whole messy look when you are done, thereby the name Django braids. You can also try out making the loops on the same side of the braids. Let me know how it went out in the comment section, okay? But then you have to make the loops on opposite sides of the braid. And also, because you keep making loops on the braids, the braiding hair becomes shorter, so you would have to add a little bit more of braiding hair to the braids to achieve the desired length you want. In other cases, you wouldn't have to add any braiding hair, provided you have already attained the length you want, okay? So now all that you have to do is to keep making the loops until you get to the end of the braids. Not the very end of the braids, but the end of the braids. Hope you get what I mean. So for the second part of the tutorial, I'm going to focus more on how to do the knotless. Okay, so just keep watching and find out. So all I have to do is to just keep adding more hair till your braiding hair is thick enough and you have the desired size you want. And when the braiding hair is thick enough to make a loop, you start making the loop right from the beginning of the braids to the very end of the braids. Okay, so it's that simple, very simple and easy, but it's just a little bit time wasting because you have to keep on making the loops and also. So when you're done with the braids, you would cut out the flyaways, but just cut out the ends. You don't want to start right from the beginning because of all these loops. You might cut a loop and then spoil the whole thing. And then also when dipping it in hot water, you just dip the ends, just the ends inside the hot water. Don't start from the beginning or you might spoil the loops too. So I finished it up with ORS olive oil hair mousse. But these braids are very beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. I was so proud of myself when I was done. I didn't think I would be able to do it, but thank God, God helped me to do all this, and it's turned out very well and so beautiful. Hope this tutorial was very helpful, and would you try out these braids? I think it's nice and you should try it out too. Let me know what you think in the comment section if you would try out these braids and what color you think goes with this jungle braids, whether black or yellow or pink. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Like and comment and share. Okay, peace out.